Harshit IAS Study Circle, providing online video classes, English medium, courses for CSAT, Group 1, Group 2, SI, Constable, SSC, RRB, online exams. Download our mobile app in Play Store or contact 9676525789.
Now discussing second chapter. They can be represented as a chapter name will be here chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. First of all, we discussed in classification of periodic table. Based upon the classification of periodic table, we discussed in second chapter chemical bonding. Okay, already we discussed in the metals. The elements are, they contain totally 4 types: metals, non-metals, metallites, and noble gases. So noble gases is not formation molecule because the valency will be 0. So the noble gases is no formation of any molecule. The formation of molecule only for 3 types of elements. There are 3 types of elements. They are metals, non-metals, and metallites. Now in this chapter, chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. Chapter name here, chemical bonding. Chapter name will be here chemical bonding. Chemical bonding is a very important topic, very interesting topic, very easy topic. Okay, in this chapter we are discussing how the formation of molecule. Simple chemical bond means what is a chemical bonding? The bond is formed in between the 2 elements. The bond is formed in between 2 elements is permanently. This bond called as a chemical bond. For example, okay, in our periodic table, they contain totally 4. Okay, we contain the formation of molecule possibility will be here 3 types of elements. They call metals plus metals. Combination of this one. Second, metals plus non-metals. A third combination here, they form here non-metals plus non-metal. Okay. Now here bonding is formed in between the different elements. These elements are, if they will call as here metal or metal non-metal or non-metal non-metal. Okay. Okay, these are the different possibilities with formation of bond in between the element and element. Now in our periodic table, they contain metals are approximately 92 metals. Already discussed in last topic. Metals are 92, non-metals are 12. Metals are here 92, non-metals are 12. Okay, metallites. Okay, metallites are approximately 7. So these are the different type of elements which are available in periodic table. Now here we discuss only for the combination of these 3. If they will form as a metal or metal non-metal or non-metal non-metal or non-metal metal. So they are the different type of combinations. They can formation of molecule within the different elements. In this chapter we discuss in chemical bonding. The bonding is formed in between 2 elements. 2 or more than 2 elements is called as a chemical bonding. This bonding is some types of bonds are permanent bond. These permanent bond, some type of bonds called as here strong bond or some are weak bond. So this type of bonding is this type of concept we can discuss in this chapter. Simple called as this name will be here chemical bonding. Means here the formation of bond in between the 2 elements. The combination will be any combination, maybe metal, non-metal, non-metal, metal, or metal, metal. Anyhow, the combination of bonding. This type of bonding they can discuss in this chapter, chemical bonding. For example, we can observe so many types of molecules we can use. We can chemicals, we can medicines, we can some type of drugs we can use daily life. They contain different pattern of molecular bonding. This concept, this chapter we can discuss this type of bonding, how they can form, what is the bonding nature, what is the strength of this molecule, it is a polar or non-polar, it may be our strong bond or weak bond. This type of concept is explained, this type of phenomena is discussed in this chapter, chemical bonding. Okay, now first of all we discuss it. Okay, some type of bonds are very strong bond, some bonds are very weak bond. Generally, we can observe them. Okay, okay, we have some bonds in between the so many persons. Some relations like as a parent relation, like as a father mother relation, a wife or husband relation, like as so many friends relation. We can have so many bonds. We get so many relations in between one and also. Same way here, these elements are form different pattern or different relations or different types of bonds they can form within the molecule. In this chapter, discussing this type of bonding, chemical bonding. Now, first of all, we are discussing combination of. Okay, here in this chapter, we are discussing first one is a first concept we are discussing types of bondings. Is very important topic, very easy topic. First one is a types of bonding. Types of bonding. First model is a called as a ionic bond. First one is a ionic bonding. Model number 1. Model number 2 is here covalent bonding. Model number 1 is a ionic bonding. Model number 2 is a covalent bonding. Okay. And model number 3 is a hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bond. Okay, hydrogen bonding. They are the main types of bonds we can discuss in this chapter also. First of all, what is chemical bonding? The bond forms between any two elements by permanently. This bond called as a chemical bond. So they are the different types of bonds. They can exist in different types of varied models or molecules which can be discussed them. First one is a called as here ionic bonding. Ionic bond. Second term is called covalent bond. Third one is called as a hydrogen bonding. And so many types of bonds which can be discussed in various pattern also. Now discussing first one is a ionic bond. The bond forms between any two elements. What are the elements? Okay, first element is a ionic bond. We'll discuss first one. Now first of all we're discussing ionic bond. Ionic bond is formed in between metal and non-metal. Okay, simple they can be simple. Ionic bond is defined as the bond is formed in between two different nature. One is metal, second is non-metal. Okay, ionic bond is formed. Okay, ionic bond is formed. Okay, ionic bond is formed within one metal, one non-metal. It's simply called as a ionic bond. Ionic bond formed in between metal and non-metal. This metal non-metal bond called as a simple called as a ionic bond. The bond forms between one metal and one non-metal by sharing of electrons. By transfer of electrons from one metal to another metal is known as a ionic bond. Okay, once again, ionic bond is formed within one metal and one non-metal. This is called ionic bond. In our periodic table, totally we contain the metals are totally approximately 92, non-metals are 12. So this combination of anyhow, in our periodic table, metals are 92, non-metals are 12. These combinations are anyhow. These combinations, the formation molecule, this is called as a ionic bond. For example, we are discussing group number 1 periodic table: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So this is called metals. This is called alkali metals. These alkali metals are react with halogens like as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, estradine. Combination of these two. This type of bond is known as a ionic bond. Okay, like as example, lithium fluoride, lithium chloride, lithium bromide, lithium iodide, lithium estradine. Now here, what is the condition in between them? The bond forms between one metal, another non-metal. So this is called as a ionic bond. Okay, you can easily remember them. It's very easy. This bond called as a ionic bond. The bond forms between one metal and another non-metal. This is called as a ionic bond. For example, okay, like as a sodium chloride. For example, simple example, sodium. Okay, sodium configuration here 2, 8, 1, which gives 1 electron. They form sodium Na plus. This contains 2, 8 configuration. Okay, now same chlorine. The atomic number 17. Configuration will be 2, 8, 7. Okay, it contains Cl minus. Means they gain 1 electron. Now they form 2, 8, 8. 2, 8, 8. So sodium atomic number 11. So this is a 11. This is a 17. Okay. Now sodium 11, 2, 8, 1. They contain 2, 8, 1. So they lost 1 electron from the outermost shell. So they found 2, 8. Now it will be stable. In the same pattern here, chlorine, they contain configuration 2, 8, 7. They contain outermost shell 7 electrons. They contain outermost shell 7 electrons. These 7 electrons, they lost 1 electron. They can gain 1 electron from others, from sodium. They come from sodium. They come from sodium. They form 2, 8, 8. Then it will be stable, or this it is also stable. So now the formation, the bond formation between these two. Look at the sodium plus chlorine Cl minus. They form NaCl. Okay, this bond is called as a ionic bond. Simple we could understand easily the bond formation between one metal another non-metal by transfer of electrons from donor to acceptor. Here what is a donor? Metal is always act as a donor. Okay, non-metal is always act as a acceptor. This donor accepting bond is called as a ionic bond. Simple you can understand. Okay, simple we can understand the bond formed between one metal and another non-metal is called as a ionic bond. This ionic bond. Okay, these ionic bonds are generally strong in nature because the bond forms in between two electrons, two elements, one is positive, one is negative. These two are very attract each other. They form strongest bond in between these two. So this bond is called as a ionic bond. Understand? Simple. Ionic bond is formed combination of one metal and one non-metal. Okay, in our periodic table, so many metals, approximately 92 metals. In non-metals, approximately 12. The combination of these two, one metal, another non-metal, is called as a ionic bond. So they contain some properties. So this is formation of molecule in between Na and Cl. Na is a positive, sodium is a cation. Okay, and chlorine is an anion because sodium the loss of electron due to their stability. Okay, anion like a chlorine is formed as anion because due to their stability. The formation of these two sodium chloride is this one of bond called as a sodium chloride is a ionic bond. The same way another example, magnesium and oxygen. So they form, okay, magnesium valency 2, oxygen valency 2, the formula will be here same. Magnesium oxide, this is same configuration. So this is also ionic bond because magnesium is a metal, oxygen is a non-metal. Another example, AlCl, the formation of molecules in between Al and Cl. Al is aluminum metal, Cl is a halogen non-metal. The formation of these two, the valency of aluminum will be 3, chlorine valency will be 1.